It is the most powerful production convertible car in the world and with performance that matches the insane and exclusive Ferrari LaFerrari Aperta. Welcome to another exciting episode of Exotic Cars on DubiCars. Today we're taking a look at this fantastic Ferrari SF90 listed by DubiCars on DubiCars, your go-to platform for buying, selling and researching cars in the UAE. This hypercar even comes with the coveted Assetto Fiorano package. This one's gonna be exciting. Let's get started. The SF90 is a masterpiece of Italian design with aerodynamic lines that not only enhance its beauty but also its performance. It looks stunning in this dual-tone shade of Verde British Racing and Giallo Modena DS. The sleek headlamps make it look like it means business. The silver stripe runs all the way from the rear to the front, enhancing styling. On the side profile, you've got 10-spoke alloy wheels that look stylish and are made entirely out of carbon fiber, giving it exclusivity, and it's also lightweight. The yellow brake calipers give it good contrast, and these massive vents at the rear channel air to the radiators, keeping the powertrain's temperatures in check. At the rear, the quad LED tail lamps, massive dual exhaust outlets, and the elaborate diffuser all come together to give it a styling that few other cars can match. If it wasn't already obvious, this hypercar features a retractable hardtop that folds neatly into the engine bay. It also folds up and down in just 14 seconds, which is pretty quick, and this entire system weighs nearly 40 kilograms lower than other metal retractable hardtops. The SF90 Spider blends performance-oriented luxury and sophistication. The cabin features premium materials and cutting-edge technology. This particular car is equipped with a tan interior with lots of carbon fiber elements. All the controls are angled towards the driver on the dashboard and everything is at the driver's fingertips. The SF90 is powered by a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 769 horsepower on its own. Then comes the magic of electric power. This hypercar also features 3 electric motors that together produce 217 horsepower. Now that gives it a combined output of 986 horsepower and 800 Newton meters. An 8-speed DCT drives all 4 wheels via an advanced all-wheel drive system that also makes this the first mid-engine Ferrari with all-wheel drive. 0 to 100 km per hour is done in just 2.5 seconds and it will go into a top speed of 340 km per hour. Despite all the performance, it is still a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, and if you're feeling eco-friendly, it can drive up to 24 km in pure EV mode. This particular car is equipped with the Assetto Fiorano package, which gives it racing-reliable multimatic suspension, titanium exhaust system and lots of carbon fiber parts. As a result, the hypercar corners like it's on rails and it's a dream to drive. The Ferrari SF90 Spider is an engineering marvel. It is a combination of jaw-dropping performance, breathtaking luxury, and eco-conscious design. If you're looking for the ultimate convertible, this is it. Find this Ferrari SF90 Spider with the Assetto Fiorano package from DubiCars Motors on DubiCars. Make sure to download our app and turn on the notification settings to get the latest updates on cars. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep the pedal to the metal.